Throw a smelly and stained towel into the pan. This way you can save all your kitchen towels. Let me show you how this trick works. Take the towel you want to bring back to life and put it in the sink. Squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry helpers and works great at removing stains and discoloration. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the towel with the toothpaste. Finally, pour some dish soap over it. Now soak the towel in hot but not boiling water. The entire towel should be completely wet so the ingredients can work better. Use chopsticks or tongs to stir the towel so it absorbs more water. After 1 hour, take it out and wash it normally in the washing machine. After washing, you'll notice the difference. The towel will be much whiter than before and free from stains and unpleasant odors.